Good evening, Akash. Let us see. Let us wait for others to join. Kaustav, good afternoon. Good afternoon, Harshita. Good afternoon, Kapashri. Good afternoon, Vailina. Good afternoon, Kankana. Good afternoon, Geeta. Okay. So today we are going to discuss the method of cross multiplication. Okay. So today our topic will be cross multiplication method. Okay. So let us see. Uh, you can see example number 14. All of you. So example number 14 says, from the Guwahati bus stop, if we buy two tickets to Ajara and three tickets to Changsari, the total cost is rupees 46. So what does the first part says? First part says that if we buy two tickets for Ajara and three tickets for Changsari, the total cost will be 46. Okay, but if we buy three tickets to Ajara and five tickets to Changsari, the total cost will be 74. Find the fares from the Guwahati bus stand to Ajara and to Changsari. Okay, understood the question? Okay, so we don't know the cost of the tickets, the fare actually from Guwahati bus stop to Ajara and from Guwahati bus stop to Changsari. Okay, so আমি মানিলগ যে from Guwahati bus stop to Ajara bus stop, the fare will be, the cost of one ticket will be X. We will assume it. Okay, and from Guwahati bus stop to Changsari bus stop, we will assume the fare to be Y, because we don't know কিমান হ'ব বুলি. So আমি এটা টিকেট from Guwahati bus stop to Ajara bus stop আমি মানি লম X, আৰু এটা টিকেটৰ দাম from Guwahati bus stop to Changsari bus stop আমি Y মানি লম. Clear everyone? Okay, then আমাৰ equations বিলাক create হৈ যাব, and since in this part we will be solving the equations from cross multiplication method, so আমি cross multiplication method use কৰি পেলাই solve কৰিম. Okay, so we will write let the cost of one ticket for Ajara be X. Yes, Paul, good afternoon. And the cost of one ticket for Changsari be rupees Y. So what are the conditions now? If we buy two tickets to Ajara, so for one ticket there is X, so if you buy two tickets it will be 2 into X. Here, can you see the board clearly, everyone? and three tickets to Changsari. So cost of one ticket is y. So cost of three tickets will be 3 into y. And the total money paid is, so after adding this two, we will get the total that is given in the question as 46. Okay, which implies 2x plus 3y minus 46 is equal to 0. Is it clear, others? Is the board clear? Now is it clear? Is it clear now? Okay, I got it. I got it. Now it is clear. Okay, we'll proceed then. What is the next question? Next condition, sorry. If we buy three tickets to Ajara, so for three tickets, cost will be 3 into x plus how many tickets? Five tickets to Changsari, the cost will be 74. Clear? So now 3x plus 5y minus 74 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now, uh, try to make an equation where the right hand side is equal to 0. Okay, but because if you take 46 there, it will be minus 46 actually. Okay, so if I anilova, so that you know the actual sign of the constant term. Clear? So equal to 0 rakhibo try koriba. Now তোমালোকক বুকত চাগে A1 A2 বা B1 B2 C1 C2 তেনেকে কৰি পেলাই কৰিছে. Okay, but I don't know whether that is easy for you or not, but the way I will teach you here, যদি তোমালোকক হেতু ইজি লাগে হেতু ফলো কৰিবা, নহলে যেনেকে বুকত দিয়া আছে A1 A2 B1 B2 তেনেকে লৈ পেলাই C1 C2 লৈ পেলাই যদি তুমি হেতু ইজি পোৱা তোমালোকে হেতু মেথড ফলো কৰিবা. Okay, let's see. So therefore এনেকে লিখি লবা, by the method of cross multiplication we get x by the coefficients. Okay, we will form a ratio y or ratio with the coefficient and constant term or coefficient constant term or coefficient I mean just one loilam. Okay, for the constant term. Clear? So now x for coefficient ki ase yaar, for first equation it is 2 and the second one it is 3. Y or coefficient ki ase, for the first equation it is 3, for the second equation it is 5. Constant term or coefficient, constant term for the first equation it is minus 46 and for the second one it is minus 74. তোমালোকে কি কৰিবা, এনেকে তিনিটা কোএফিচিয়েন্ট লিখি লবা and আকৌ x এবাৰ লিখিবা. Okay, 2 into 3 হেতু মই কিয় লিখিছো, that will also I will make you understand. Okay, এনেকে তিনি লিখিলা, তোমালোকে x ৰ কাৰণে কি কৰিবা, y আৰু 1 ৰ কোএফিচিয়েন্ট বিলাক লিখিব লাগিব. For x, x টো পাহৰি যাবা, y আৰু কনস্ট্যান্ট টার্ম বিলাক লিখিব লাগে. For y you need to forget about the coefficient of y, x আৰু কনস্ট্যান্ট টার্মৰ coefficient লিখিব লাগে, and so on you have to write. Are you getting it, all of you? So x or x we won't write. So what is there? 3 and 5 and minus 46 and minus 74. So 3 out of 5 coefficient of y or constant term will minus 46 or minus 74. We have written the coefficient of y and the constant terms. Are you getting it? For x, যেতিয়া তোমালোকে x ৰ কাৰণে ৰেশিওটো বনাবা, don't write the coefficients of x. x ৰ কাৰণে x omit হ'ব. Okay, y কাৰণে কি omit হ'ব, y omit হ'ব. So coefficient of x 2, 3 লিখি 2 আৰু 3 লিখিলা, and then constant term or minus 70 46 and minus 74. Now for constant term you have to skip the constant term. So যেতিয়া তোমালোকে skip কৰিবা মই ইয়াত x লিখি দিছো কেনেকৈ যাব x y আছে আৰু এটো হ'ব ওকে you cannot write like this x আৰু y এনেকৈ কৈ আছে x ৰ কাৰণে y আৰু constant term y ৰ কাৰণে this one and for constant term it will be x and y ৰ coefficient বিলাক arrange হ'ব বুজি পাইছা কেনেকৈ arrange কৰিব লাগে so what you will do you will take y coefficient of y and coefficient of x anyone any doubt please comment okay what you need to do x ৰ কাৰণে y আৰু constant y কাৰণে x আৰু 1 আৰু constant term কাৰণে কি হ'ব y আৰু x ৰ coefficient ল'ব লাগিব is it clear so you will write এনেকৈ যাব তোমালোকে y x ৰ coefficient লিখি পেলাই then y ৰ coefficient লিখিবা so it will be 2 3 3 and 5 তোমালোকে চাইছা কেনেকৈ যাব লাগে I'll explain it again maybe there are some doubts x y constant term আকৌ x লিখিবা x ৰ coefficient হ'ল তোমাৰ 2 আৰু 3 y ৰ coefficient হ'ল 3 আৰু 5 now you all know the how to know the coefficient x ৰ আগত কি আছে 2 আছে so coefficient of x is in the first equation is 2 x ৰ আগত কি আছে 3 so coefficient of y, x in the second equation is 3 likely I have written the coefficient of y and the constant term is minus 46 and minus 74 আকৌ x repeat কৰিবা okay 2 and 3 for x to পাহৰি যাবা y আৰু constant term আহিব for y forget the y so you will get what x আৰু 1 ৰ coefficient পাবা তোমালোকে okay এনেকৈ পাবা y আৰু just a minute okay for y তোমালোকে y ৰ কাৰণে কি ল'বা x আৰু constant term বিলাক ল'বা okay so এইটো আগত লিখিবা এনেকৈ যাব লাগে তোমালোক you have to go like this so next y ৰ পাছত কি আছে constant term and then x লিখিবা তোমালোকে so you will write first constant term and the coefficient of x now constant term ৰ কাৰণে কি হ'ব x আৰু এনেকৈ থাকি গ'ল তোমালোকৰ x আৰু y থাকি গ'ল okay চাইছা y ৰ কাৰণে তোমাৰ এই দুটা থাকিলে আৰু constant term ৰ কাৰণে এই দুটা থাকিব so you have written like this any doubt anyone then we will proceed then any doubt till here okay so I'm rubbing this part so now how to multiply কেনেকৈ multiply কৰিবা from the you have to multiply like this 3 will be multiplied with minus 74 3 into minus 74 minus will be there product of this minus product of this is the rule okay product of this 2 minus the product of this 2 so 5 into minus 46 is equal to next is what y so minus 46 into 3 minus 74 into 2 then for constant term 2 into 5 minus 3 into 3 so now 7 3 times 12 carry 1 21 and 1 22 minus plus minus you will get the product then minus will make it plus 5 4 times 5 6 times 30 carry 3 20 and 23 which is equal to 6 3 times 18 carry 1 20 12 and 1 13 this one plus 4 into 2 is 8 7 into 2 is 14 5 into 2 is 10 minus 9 here plus minus is minus all of us know so okay so 230 minus 222 korile tumi 8 paba greater number is 230 which is positive so your sum is also positive here plus minus is minus 148 minus 138 will give you 10 148 is positive, so greater number is positive, so your answer will also be positive. And we all know 10 minus 9 is 1. Okay, so we got it as 1. Now, these three ratios are equal to each other. So that means here I know the value of this ratio is 1 is to 1, that is 1. But I don't know this what this ratio will be, because here it is an unknown number, unknown variable, that is y, and here one unknown variable is there, that is x. So but we know that this ratio should be equal to 1 by 1 is to 1, and this ratio should be equal to 1 is to 1. So we will equate it and we'll find the value of x. Therefore x by 8 will be equal to 1 by 1, and y by 10 will be equal to 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is 1, 8 here level multiply. So x value is 8 and y by 10 is equal to 1, which implies y is equal to 1 into 10. Y is equal to 10. Is it clear, everyone? This is how we need to solve the method of cross multiplication. Any doubt? Anyone? Anyone have any doubt? Okay. Let's see example number 15, then 16. What does example 15 says? See, everyone. So example 15, for which value of p does the pair of equations give below a unique solution? Now we all know what is the condition for unique solution. We all know the condition for unique solution is a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. Is it or not? For unique solution মানে দুটা ইকুয়েশন সলভ কৰিলে তোমাৰ এটা ভ্যালু x ৰ পাবা আৰু এটা ভ্যালু y ৰ পাব লাগে. For that you should get a1 by a2 should be not equal to b1 by b2. That is the condition. Okay, so we will write the equation. দুটা যোনবিলাক ইকুয়েশন দিয়া আছে সেইবিলাক লিখিম, তাৰপিছত a1 আৰু a2 ৰ ভ্যালু ফাইন উলাই লম, তাত দিয়ে আছে কোএফিশিয়েন্ট ফাইন কৰিব লাগে, and we know the value of b1 by b2 also, b1 and b2 also, and hence we will do it. So we'll write example 15. The given equations are 4x plus py plus 8 is equal to 0, and what is the next equation? Twice x plus twice y plus 2 is equal to 0. So I can write here a1's value is 4, b1's value is p, c1 value is 8. Okay, and then a2's value is 2, b2 value is 2, c2's value is also 2. Is it clear? So now we all know for unique solution the condition is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Is it or not? So the condition should be what? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So what is a1 here? 4. 4 by 2 is not equal to p by 2. 1 time, 2 time. So now 2, this 2 is getting divided, the other side will be multiplied. 2 into 2 is not equal to 4. So which implies p is not equal to 4. So therefore we can write the condition under which the given equation will have unique solution should be what? P should not be equal to 4. So we can write p can have any value except 4. Okay, what the question wants you to say? The question wants you to say find the value of p. So we can write p can have any value except positive 4. Is it okay? Is it or not? Yeah, yeah, yeah. কি কোৱা আছে তুমি কি পালা condition? P is not equal to 4. So p কি হব পারে, যিকোনো নাম্বার হব পারে except 4. Clear everyone? Okay, let's proceed to question number 16 then. Example 16. Example 16, what does example says? For what value of k will the following pair of linear equation have infinitely many solutions? What does the question says? For what value of for what value of k, the given will the following pair of linear equations will have infinitely many solutions? So we all know what is the condition for infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution হবৰ কাৰণে কি হ'ব লাগিব? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. We all know. Okay. So after using this condition, you need to find the value of k, and we can find the value of k then. Okay. So the given equations are, what are the equation? Kx. This example is important. All of you mark in your book. Okay. The chances you will get this question in your exam. Chances are there. Okay. Kx plus 3y minus of k minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. And the next equation is, and 12x plus ky minus k is equal to 0. So here you can see what is the value of a1 here. For a1 it is k, for a2 it is 12, likely for b1 it is 3, and for b2 it is k. Likely for c1 sign miss nokoriba, jodi minus ase minus logote loi ahiba. Minus of k minus 3, remember to take the minus sign with it. Okay, and minus k. So now we can write condition for infinitely many solutions. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Okay. So this A1 by A2 will be equal to B1 by B2, and this A1 by A2 is equal to C1 by C2. We can equate first A দুটা solve কৰিম, তাৰপিছত আমি A দুটা solve কৰিম বা A দুটা solve কৰিম. It's up to us. Okay. Clear? And then we can know the value of k. So প্রথমত therefore আমি a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 লৈ পেলাই solve কৰো. Okay, together তিনিটা ৰেশিও আমি solve কৰিব নোৱাৰিম, so দুটা দুটাকে লৈ পেলাই solve কৰিম. Okay, so what is a1 here? Now I'm rubbing this one. Okay, a1's value is k, a2's value is 12 is equal to b1, b1 is 3 and b2 is k. Okay, so now we have to cross multiply. K into k is equal to 3 into 12. K into k is k square is equal to 36, which implies k is equal to root over 36, which implies root over ki ahibo plus minus 6. So hoyto amar k er value ki hobo pare, positive hobo pare ba k value negative hobo pare. Okay, what is the next condition then? Therefore, which implies k is equal to plus 6 or minus 6. Now next condition is what? b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Here b1's value is 3 and c1's b2's value is k. C1 or value minus of k minus 3 or c2 value minus k. Cancel rule. 3 into k into k minus 3. Okay, k piece hota hai. So now 3 into k is 3k. k into k is k square and minus 3k. Clear everyone? Are you getting it, all of you? So 0 is equal to k square minus 3k minus 3k. So k square minus 6k is equal to 0. Okay, what we can take common? K can be taken common. K minus 6 is equal to 0. So either the product of this and this is equal to 0. That means what? Either k should be equal to 0 or k minus 6 should be equal to 0, which implies k is equal to 6. Yeah, k equal to positive 6 paisa or yeah, k is equal to positive 6 paisa. দুটা কন্ডিশনত k কোনটো ভ্যালু স্যাটিসফাই করে? Obviously k is equal to 6 satisfy both the condition. So we'll write since k equal to 6 satisfies both the condition, therefore k value kiman ahibo amar 6. Okay, here you can see clearly that in both the k equal to c, k equal to 6, here you can see from the first condition, and in the second condition also you got a value k equal to 6. So what is the common value of k in both the condition? That is k is equal to 6, and that will be the value of k. Clear? I hope it is clear, everyone. If you have any doubt, you can comment, please. Others, Paul, are you there? Okay, let's move to exercise then. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are same only. Till 6, it is same. Paul, are you there? So we'll see example number, exercise 3.5, question number 7. That is little different. Others all are same. Okay, just read it. You will try it by yourself. If there is any doubt, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So let's see number 7. Thrice a by x minus twice b by y is equal to minus 5. So now you can see this is not a linear equation. Why? Because power of x is negative. So here if you take 1 by x as something, যদি তোমালোকে 1 by x of u লৈ লোৱা আৰু 1 by y of v লৈ লোৱা, তেতিয়াহে আমি solve কৰিব পাৰিম. Okay, and you will get the answer in terms of a and b, because in coefficient বিলাক কি আছে, coefficient বিলাকত a b use কৰা হৈছে. Okay, did you get my point? So যদি আমি 1 by x of a লৈ লওঁ, a ল'ব নোৱাৰি because a is already there. So 1 by thrice a into 1 by x twice b into 1 by y is equal to minus 5. So thrice au minus twice bv is equal to minus 5, because আমি a 1 by x of কি লৈছো, u লৈছো, আৰু 1 by y of কি assume কৰিছো, v বুলি assume কৰিছো. Did you get, all of you? We have assumed 1 by x as u and 1 by y as v to make the equation a linear equation in two variables, that is u and v. And আমি কি কৰিব পাৰিম, u আৰু v value to find কৰি পেলাই 1 by x আৰু 1 by y ৰ লগত equate কৰিম, so that we will find the answer. Is it clear, everyone? Any doubt for anyone? So next question भी किया है ax. So we'll write it like this: thrice au minus twice bb minus 5 f plus 5 and ax a by x, sorry, plus 3b by y is equal to 2. So it will become au plus 3bb minus 2 is equal to 0. অলপ ডাইৰেক্টলি লিখিছো বিকজ ওপৰত মই বুজাই দিছো ভালকে. ওকে, সো আমি এতিয়া কি কৰিম? বাই দ্য মেথড অফ ক্ৰছ মাল্টিপ্লিকেশ্যন এইটো লিখিব লাগিব. বাই দ্য মেথড অফ ক্ৰছ মাল্টিপ্লিকেশ্যন, by the, or you can write applying the method of cross multiplication to equation number 1 and 2. And if you likhibo para, you can take as equation number 1, this one as equation number 2. Or you can write applying the method of cross multiplication to equation 1 and 2, we get, what do we get? आपको लिखी लो, u कोएफिशिएंट की होबो थ्राइस a यात আৰু ইয়াত অকলে v কোএফিशिएंट কি হ'ব -2b here plus 3b. Constant term কি হ'ব ইয়াত 5 ইয়াত -2 আকৌ u কি হ'ব thrice a আৰু a. So first we will find for u, it will be u কাৰণে এইটো বাদ দিলে কি পাম this 2. Okay, -2b and here -2b and 3b. Okay, and constant term কাৰণে কি আছে 5 and -2. Then for v a দুটা আহিব. Okay, 1 for constant term 5 and -2 thrice a আৰু a, and for constant term what will be this 2. Okay, constant term কাৰণে কি হ'ব এই দুটা হৈ যাব. So thrice a by a minus 2b thrice b. Is it clear how to plot it? Anyone, any doubt how to plot this one? Any doubt how to plot the coefficients here in the ratio? Anyone got doubt? Okay. Now, how to multiply? Which implies x is equal to this one -2b into -2 will give you plus 4b. Minus sign is there according to the rule. Thrice b into 5 is minus 15b. Here 5 into a will give you 5a minus -2 into 3a is minus 6a. Minus the number will become positive. Okay, so it will be plus 6a. Aru yat ki hobo 3 into ab, 3a into 3b is equal to 9ab minus plus 2ab. Clear? So what we will get? We will get x, sorry, so it will be u is u by, here you can see it will be minus 11b, and here for v plus 5a plus 6a will give you plus 11a is equal to 1 by 11ab. So now equate koribo parim, u by 11b is equal to 1 by 11ab. U is equal to 1 by 11ab into minus 11b. 11 cancel, b cancel. What do we get? Minus 1 by a. Aru b equate korile ki pam B is equal to 11 AB into 11A. A cancel, 11, 11 cancel. B is equal to 1 by B. Now U ki asile. Amar, U was 1 by X. Is it or not? I assumed U as 1 by X. So 1 by A is X is equal to minus 1 by A, which implies X is equal to minus A. I can write B ki asile 1 by Y asile. So Y is equal to B. Reciprocate korilu, reciprocate korilu. Any doubt, anyone? It is important, okay? This question is important. Okay. We'll see number two then. So let's see next one. Question number two is number one. For which value of a and b does the following pair of linear equation have infinite number of solution? The question wants you to find the value of a and b for which the given two equations, given two linear equation, will have infinite number of solutions. So equations are twice x plus thrice y is equal to 7, and a minus b x into x, sorry, into a plus b into y is equal to thrice a plus b minus 2. So if we want to write this one, this equation will be minus 7 is equal to 0, and the second one will be a minus b plus a plus b into y minus of thrice a plus b minus 2 is equal to 0. This whole is the constant term. Okay, a গোটেইটো তুমি constant term or নিচিনা consider কৰিব লাগিব. So here a1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to a minus b. You can see the coefficient of x here. Okay, b1 or coefficient of b1 y as a 3. For b2 coefficient of y for the second equation is a plus b. C1 is the constant term of first equation, that is minus 7. C2 is the constant term of second equation, that is minus of thrice a plus b minus 2. Yeah, look, clear. I did nothing, just I have plotted the coefficients of x and y in constant term there. Okay, then for infinite number of solutions, a1 by a2 will be equal to b1 by b2 will be equal to c1 by c2. This is the condition. Okay, so for a1, first we will equate these two ratios. A1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, and we'll find, okay, we'll get an equation. Here a1 is 2 and a2 is a minus b, b1 is 3 and a2 is a plus b. 2 into a plus b is twice a plus twice b. 3 into a minus b is thrice b, thrice a minus thrice b. Okay, so the condition will be thrice a minus thrice b, minus 2 taken that side, minus twice a, minus 2 will be taken that side, minus plus 2 will be taken that side, it will be minus 2b. Okay, thrice a minus twice a is a, thrice b minus 2b is minus 5b is equal to 0. This is first equation. Okay, from the next condition we can get the second equation also. Now therefore b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. What is b1? b1 is 3. What is b2? A plus 3. What is c1? c1 is minus 7. What is c2? Minus of thrice a plus b minus 2. This is the condition. Okay, we'll keep this equation. this equation we will use. Okay, so that's why I didn't drop it. So minus minus got cancelled. 3 into 3a is 9a, 3 into b is plus 3b, 3 into 2 is 6, minus plus minus. 7 into a is 7a, 7 into b is 7a. Okay, let us take all that side, or let us take those this side. 9a minus 7a minus 7b is equal to 0. 9a minus 7a is twice a, minus 4b minus 6 is equal to 0. What I can do is, I can take 2 common, a minus 2b minus 3 is equal to 0, which implies a minus 2b minus 3 is equal to 0. It will be dividing that side, and hence 0 divided by 2 is 0 only. So next equation will be 3 taken that side. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. Okay. Or what I can do, I can write a is equal to 5b, equation number 1, and I can use it here. Are you getting my point, all of you? So it will be 5b minus twice b is equal to 3. So thrice b is equal to 3. B is equal to 3 by 3, that is 1. So I got the value of b here. Okay. Therefore, equation number 1 implies a is equal to 5b, that is 5 into 1, which implies a is equal to 5. Therefore, a value is 5 and b value is 1. Did you get my point, all of you? I can see only 6 people are watching the video. Okay, it's great to see this. Any doubt, anyone? Okay, we'll stop here. Okay, so you will try question number 2, question number 3, okay, and question number 4 and 5. These all are similar. Okay, if you cannot solve, then I will do it for you. Okay, if you have doubt, you can text me on WhatsApp. I will help you out. Okay, thank you everyone. See you on Tuesday. Bye bye.